Just a minute, we will start. Okay, then I think let's get started. I think I should do this before 8:30. Okay, so let's start, team. Let's start. We will be picking up in our topic. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Chalo, let's go. So, nice. So, first of all, we will start with the two things, guys. Everyone, please focus. Yes, we are running live, both the members on YouTube as well as Google Meet. Multiple things we want to do today. First, we will start with our checklist. Daily review we will do, and then we will be starting with day planning. Then we will submit our Google form, tracking form, and after that we will discuss ideas on job hunting. Okay, so that's the plan for today. Let's start with the first action, daily review. So you're supposed to go to your OneNote. Let's start. I think those who are regular now, they are aware of what needs to be done. Go to the OneNote. So it is going to be something like this. Whatever planning we did yesterday, so you need to go to that plan, and whatever is completed, move those items into the done section. Let's say if you planned these many items yesterday, so just whatever is completed, move it into the done section, and in progress items, you can keep it as in progress itself. What will happen is, if you look at this 1 month later, you will know that on 28th of October, what you were actually working upon. That will help you to even analyze, okay, where are you using your time properly. It's a trace of your every day of your life, and that's a big thing. I have this for my past 10 years. I can right now also tell you what I was doing on XYZ day of 2015 also. Okay, so that really helps to process properly. Sure, first thing, guys, go to your yesterday. Whatever is completed, move it into done, and whatever is in progress, keep it as it is. Once you're done with that, let's move to the daily questions. Let's move to the daily questions. If you already have answers of yesterday here, you can delete those answers because that will be available on 27th of October anyways. So just have these questions with you and start answering it for yesterday's situation. Okay, everyone, please start one by one. How many tasks you planned yesterday? Just count it, write it down. How many you have completed yesterday? If you have not written these questions, please write it right now. So it will become very easy for you to do because these are very basic things. So don't spend your like time remembering it. Okay, write it down so it becomes an easy habit. And let's say someday you are not able to wake up. Sorry, wake up 8:30 is already late. But someday you are not able to join us at 8:30. So in such cases, you can do this thing by yourself before you start your day. Don't miss it anytime. Okay. So fine, chalo. Please do this thing, guys. How many tasks are planned? How many you have completed? Analyze what is the right thing you did. Okay. I was thinking about it yesterday situation. Maulik mentioned one thing. I was watching that part of the video again just to take some meaning out. So he said ki I completed yesterday's full live session related topic and all the task. Okay, yes, that could be considered as something which you did right. Okay, so individual task tracking is not required, but a behavior in you, there is a behavior of success. Appreciate that behavior. Okay, I made a decision that I will finish it all and I achieved it, because that behavior you should repeat in your life. Okay, individual tasks, anyways, it's fine, but appreciate your good behaviors, okay, which will make you successful in your life, right? So that we need to really pinpoint here. Okay, and once you're done with this, write down this, what area of improvement you have, and after that, so here also main problem which you're dealing with your life right now. And yesterday after our call, so I was also checking how much screen time I am spending. So I did not measure that part, but yesterday I was also checking on that, and roughly it's around 2.5 hours to sometimes 3 hours also. So that's the consistency. But the apps that I have, so it's not much of a entertainment related. That's what I realized, because I don't open Facebook, no Instagram. I am spending time on LinkedIn and YouTube, and some of my time goes into like ChatGPT exploration and stuff like that, Google and stuff there. So maybe that's what you have to differentiate your screen time into value added time versus just purely there is no career gain in that. So even though the number might be there, but try to split it into these two areas. Of how you will do it, think about it. Chalo guys, once you're done with the review, please mark the poll. Then we will start with the day planning activity. After that, do this last thing also. Come up with a plan. How are you going to solve it? Okay, important. Chalo, let's put it. Are you done with day review? If you're done with it, mark it as yes, or it's still in progress. Guys on YouTube also, please mark this poll. Are you done? Yes, done, or still in progress. Okay, those who are still in progress, quickly complete it, guys. It's 8:40 now. We need to start with the day planning. Okay. Chalo. But yes, good to see 10 members are completed here, and roughly around 4 members. YouTube guys also, please mark this poll, take actions, mark the poll. It's important to take actions, guys. Very important. Okay. 5 members completed. So anyways, let's move to the next topic. So join sharp on 8:30 and we will get started. From tomorrow, maybe I will join a few minutes early itself so we can do this live streaming and other activities. So we don't lose a minute from 8:30. Okay. Anyways, this is done. So we have some plan. Now let's do the day planning. Okay. So what will we do for our day planning? First, copy everything of yesterday and create a new page, paste it there. So first you copy yesterday, you create a new page, 29th October. The reason we do this is to have a history of our past. Maybe over weekend, Saturday, Sunday, you can sit and analyze your all the days and try to draw some conclusions from that. Okay, what exactly is going on with your life? What should be your next improvement area? So if there is data, you can analyze it. You can give your records. Now this is more smarter, right? You can give your records to ChatGPT of the entire week and ask it, can I give me a conclusion? So you don't have to do it manually also. Give me a conclusion. What are my good things? What are my bad things? Am I able to do it? What you can you predict about based upon my data, and give me some guidance. What should be my next steps? You can work with AI and get yourself more nice outputs, right? So if there is data, something can be done about that data. So guys, step number 1, copy everything to yesterday. Step number 2, Whatever is there in done section, delete it. If there is anything in progress, move it into the to do section. Okay. And next, you need to plan 5 things for today. Dekho guys, you can plan more than that, you can plan less than that also, but at least 5 things of meaningful size, not small 5 things which you can finish it 1 hour. Okay, so some meaningful 5 things which can occupy your full day today. Okay, that much you should target to accomplish. Okay, and chalo guys, write down your 5 things, new things which you want to do today. Maybe you can put some ideas about that. Take a few things from the parked items, otherwise this list keeps growing. And yesterday there was something pending, decide what you want to do about that today. Okay, and write down 5 things after that. Okay, I think yesterday one of the member was asking a question, ki daily by daily, if we are not able to finish all our planned items, this work is piling up, pause related work is piling up. So how exactly we can deal? Dekho, ek simple thought should be there. You should plan only that much which you can complete, and you should spend like best possible time, right? In that means don't have any time wasters. All your time should be productive time, and with that productive time, how much you can complete, you should plan only that much. Okay, just remember this statement, guys. Somebody, I read this in a book somewhere, it is really good. It goes something like this: do okay, do do whatever you can do that day. Don't do tomorrow's work today, and don't let today's work go to tomorrow. This is a very important statement. Dekho, you cannot do more than 24 hours. That's ultimate. Even if you have a mountain to climb, you cannot climb it in a single day because there is a big mountain. So, but today you can justify your 24 hours. So do the best that you can do today. So don't try to think, okay, tomorrow's work also I will finish today. Your focus should only be like this every day of your life. Do whatever you can do today. Don't waste your time. Use yourself effectively. If you have done that, you are justifying your life and you're justifying your day. Don't try to do overwork today, and don't let today's work go to tomorrow, because then tomorrow's work will also be affected. So maybe you can take a quick statement like this, write it on a paper and put it in a wall where you daily keep working. So you can remember yourself not to waste time and not to overdo things, just justify your day. Fine. Chalo guys, please complete this 5 things which you want to do today. So pick up only that much which you are confident that you will be finishing. And now you have your data. That's what. In the day 1, you will not be sure how much you can do. But after being for 5 days, you will know how much you can and how much you cannot. That's what. Daily by daily, you will become more smarter. Your planning will become better. Your decision making, time management, because you're improving now every single day. You're learning from your own experiences. And that is a very good quality. Otherwise, we will not even know that what we can, what we cannot. Now, data is telling us how we can improve with our life. And note that currently, let's say you can do only 3 items. It's fine. If you do this thing for next 3 weeks, you will start doing 5 items. That's how growth will happen. Beginning mein, everybody starts with 0. Then you keep adding 1, 2, 3. Eventually, your productivity levels will be high. So you're not going to be a non-performer forever, right? You will improve. Once you're working towards it, you will definitely improve. That's human behavior. Okay. So that's what. Never assume that you are limited by your potential, because your potential keeps growing. Okay. That's ultimate. So guys, are you done with these 5 things? Please give a quick thumbs up. Are you done with your day planning? Chalo quickly, guys. It's already 8:45. Okay, members on Meet are done. Okay, what about the YouTube guys? Are you done? Give a quick thumbs up. And once you're done, just do these final 2 things also. Whatever are of the tasks which are here, move them into the paused section, which you are not planning for today. And second thing, whatever is the list of tasks for today, okay, try to estimate it into bracket, write down how much time you will feel. Let's say 2 hours, here maybe 1 hour. Okay, thanks for confirming the YouTube guys. And then arrange it in a priority from morning till evening, how you will do it. And that is what it is. You're planning the work in such a manner that you will finish it. When you do this estimation, you look at your day. I have 10 hours to spend and this much work I can finish in 10 hours. So take only that much work. That's what this estimation and ordering helps you to effectively plan your day itself. So guys, do this. This is important. Estimations and ordering. So if you feel something you cannot do, why do you even plan? Just move it to the pause section. Okay, so please think about it. That's what is time management and productivity planning. So being in control. Chalo guys, please do this. And once you're done, please mark your tracking sheet and then we will go to the next topic for today. Okay, here we are. Everyone, please complete your day actions. Then we will do this tracking and then continue with the next topic. 1, 2. Okay, so this is yesterday, task completed. And this is 29th, task planned. And here we can delete this. This is again a productivity technique. Whatever gets measured gets improved. Okay, so that is where we are measuring our consistency. That is where yesterday Maulik was measuring his screen time. So whatever gets measured gets improved. So you will know how to go further. Please mark this, guys. And all the members on YouTube also, please mark this. And then we'll go for the next topic in the final 10 minutes. Please mark these two things. Okay, so yesterday I was even spending some time on ChatGPT to get this formula, how we can mathematically calculate the continuous streak. Okay, so anytime you are like on the first day, your streak will reset. If you have missed a day yesterday, we will reset the streak. So in order to get that, it was not very straightforward. I had to work with ChatGPT for like 30 minutes or so to really get the right formulas to make it work. But yes, eventually we have a streak calculation system as well. Okay, let me quickly format it again. Take the learnings, guys. Okay, good to see you guys, all the white things whose entries are not there. It's their first day today. And this kind of color, blue color, whatever, these were available yesterday. And whatever these greens and yellows, they were there earlier, but now they are more back again in the journey. So let's try to take, okay, this streak measurement. So we can have some data here. So this is for today. From here we start. Let's put today in a different shade. We will put it like blue. Okay, let's do this thing. What observations we can have? There are a lot of observations. Okay? First of all, let's see how we are doing with the maximum streak right now. Because gaps means habit formation will not happen. Okay, so we see that these are the guys. They started and are continuous. Even Tamanna, Raja, Anushka, okay, Avinash, Siddhi, Abhishek, Samir, Sheetal. Okay, till this time, what we are observing is whatever is their total attendance, that is their maximum streak also. So once they started, they are there. So that means, yeah, so you guys are nicely on track. Okay. Now, second behavior, fine. There were some other guys, they were kind of on and off. So the streak keeps resetting. Always remember this gym example. if you really want to get healthy, you need to continuously do it without breaks. You put breaks in between, habit formation will never happen, and it will be always hard because always you are restarting. Okay, but just imagine if you are daily going for a run, it will become easy for you to do even 10 kilometer because momentum will take care of itself. You take in between, again waking up will be hard, running will be hard. So if you take breaks, your life will be more harder than doing it in a momentum that will be more easier to do. So please make sure you don't let your counts reset. Okay, that is important thing. What more do we observe? Yes, there are a lot of new guys who are starting, but at the same time, we need to understand there were previously also a lot of new guys who took their first day. Some were able to do for more time also, but eventually not able to do it. So you need to take learning from these people. They are good, they want to do it, but somehow they are not able to make it happen. So this will be another problem with a lot of people. They will not be able to make good, successful habits in them. And that is where you have an advantage. Okay, if you are able to do it because it is hard, others will not do, you will be able to pull it out nicely. So do the impossible because not many are able to do that. Okay, that's what will make you successful. Chalo, fine. Let's see. But this is good to see. Okay, we have more number of guys who have submitted also. Let's do a final color sort. Okay, so we have more people joining us today. The count, I think, is better than any other day. So that's a good sign. So you are serious about your future and your tasks. So let's put this in a different shade. And here we will just do the formula all across for our currently today joined members. Okay, just a second. Fine. Let's start with the next thing. Okay, so make sure you are not resetting it. I'm telling you guys, this what we are doing in the morning. It will happen till what? 7th week is going to finish on 21st. So last day will be 21st. So it is only 3 weeks. Starting today, it is like 3.5 weeks, Monday to Friday. Point is, within 3 weeks, if you're always consistent, habit will start forming. After that, even if we don't do this, you're daily doing this by yourself, you'll always be productive. Get the momentum started till 21st of November. Don't miss any single day. Give this a highest priority. And that is very important. Don't let breaks come. Kar lete hai. Okay, it's possible to do. So let's do it. Fine. 3.5 weeks. So that will give you a psychological thing also. Okay, I will do that along with everyone here. After that, I will continue by myself. And I think then habit will start forming more nicely. Okay, now let's do the another thing, guys. Okay, now this is important. You are supposed to do this activity right now. What is that? We need to figure out a concrete plan of getting the job. Means if you don't have a plan, if you don't know how to get the job, there is a very high chance it will be very hard for you. If you don't really know what needs to be done, means it is going to be really hard for you to really get it. So the first step to solve any problem, okay, is like you get aware of the problem. Okay, you should know what game you are playing, how much challenge is there, how much success is there, what are the problems in there, and then you have to solve that problem. Then you will be winning in that game. So job hunting is a game now. Okay, you cannot say I don't know. It's like a trick. It's like a game you are playing. It's a chess. Everything is a strategy. What you should do, what you should not do, what will improve your chances to get the job versus what will not improve. It's all thinking, strategizing. Such people will succeed. Okay, so it's not random luck. You keep trying this, and it will work. No, you should know what is going to work, and you should do that. Spend your time on those things. So now we need to figure it out. What is going to work for getting the job realistically? Okay, so what I have done is I just was thinking about it for like few minutes yesterday. I created a short prompt in ChatGPT. Okay, something like this. Everybody, you are supposed to do this. I will be pasting this in notes also right now, in chats on both YouTube. But just observe something like this, just initial thoughts. You can use ChatGPT in this manner. Based on my inputs below, give me a prompt. I'm asking ChatGPT itself to write a prompt for me. Give me a prompt which I can feed to ChatGPT to get a proper answer. And then I give my situation. I'm a job seeker from India. I'm doing Java Trainee Program of real-time project building using Spring Boot and Microservice. Next, I am targeting to get good job with good package as a Java developer, maybe around 0 to 1 year of experience role. And now this is the problem statement. Based on the current Indian market situation, okay, generally how much time it might take to get the job, and give me realistic high level strategy. So based on these kind of thoughts, I'm just asking ChatGPT to give me a prompt. Now you customize it to your situation. Working in dark is not going to help you. You should know what is going on, what are the challenges, how much time it will take, and then you can evaluate. If you don't do that much of actions, will it work or not work? Let's see what it comes through. Okay, so I am just giving an enter. Let's first get some prompt from ChatGPT. Okay, so it made it really detailed. It is now very detailed. Okay, we can put something like this. First, let's put it. After that, we will read what it is. Okay, I am a job seeker from India, currently doing a Java trainee program where I'm building a project on this, targeting for 0 to 1. Role will be good and IT current market situation. Please answer the following. Realistically, how much time does it generally take to get a job in the current Indian situation for someone like me? What factors influence this timeline? Provide a realistic high-level job hunting and skill building strategy for me. Explain where I should focus more: skills, projects, interview, applying strategy, or networking. Suggest a weekly schedule for doing it right, and add tips to improve my chances to avoid common mistakes that fresher make. Now, as you can already realize, ChatGPT did pretty detailed work and got into some thoughts which we did not even get. So you can use prompting in this manner. Ask the engine itself to give you the right prompt based upon your situation. That is step number 1. Now, second, we will be putting this kind of a prompt back into the system and now get some observations. Let's go. Okay. One by one, it started answering our questions with certain details. Okay. With some weekly patterns also, what we are supposed to do, and tips to improve your chances to avoid the common. Everything it provide in a clear-cut manner. Okay. And then something additionally. At least it's already 9. So you are supposed to do this today. Okay. So the point is being honest. If I do all this research now, you will not really connect with the conclusions. But when you are figuring it out, you will accept it ki, okay, this is real, and you will be aware of the problem, and then you will work towards solving it. So I'm not going to share all these things with you. My work as a mentor is to enable you so that you know the truth, and then you can realize how much you can work and get practical. Okay, at least we can take this takeaway. How long it might take. Let's just understand one answer, and then we will close the today's session. For someone in your situation, 0 to 1 year of experience doing this kind of a program, and then real-time project using Spring Boot microservices. Okay, and here is the realistic timeline. Okay, shorter answer. If you are highly proactive, nothing but building good project, tailor your resume, networking properly, and interviewing well, you might land a job in 3 to 6 months. More typical means what happens to majority of the people. Means it is saying in the best case, if you are doing everything right, it is going to take 3 to 6 months to get it. Now, point is, you might not like the answer, but tomorrow sun is also going to come in east only. You might not like sun coming in the east, but it will come in the east only tomorrow. You might want it to come from west, but it will not happen. In the day, sun will rise. In night time, there will be darkness. You cannot change truth. Whether you like it or not does not matter. That's what these circumstances are. You might not like the answer, but the point is, after you put tremendous amount of proactive efforts, it is going to take this much time, and that is realistic after you put the efforts. Point is, you have to figure this out, whether what ChatGPT is saying is right or wrong, because it says ChatGPT can make mistake. Fine, go to 5 other platforms, do the similar activity, go to Gemini, go to Claude, go to Grok, go to DeepSeek, go to whichever other platforms, and then you analyze. And then you have to know the truth, because if you don't know what you're doing, end result will not be there. Second, it says more typical. Given the competitive fresher and entry-level market, it's more realistic to expect 6 to 12 months for securing a good job. Now, that is the second statement. And here comes the scary part. If things lag, if you have gaps, your skills are weaker, your projects are not there, your network is not good, and you are not really applying aggressively, it would go beyond 12 months. Now, this is the truth of Indian market, not just today. It is the truth since past 10 plus years. When I got in the IT, same situation was there. Now also same situation is there. Don't say AI has created this. This is always been there year on year, because the number of people who pass out from college versus the number of jobs which are there, it's always crunch. Now, you have to get real about this. Okay. And now they are providing why these numbers, it is saying something. But now, guys, you have to decide. If it is going to be very aggressive work, then it is going to take 3 to 6 months. If you are not doing that much aggressively, typically just casually wasting your time, it is going to be like this. And if you are not really doing stuff, you are not good, you are not in the game, you don't have good projects, no good grip, weaker in your network, not applying and aggressively following up with people, it will go beyond. And now comes the serious question: how many of you are ready for this practical reality? And now let me tell you, lakhs of people pass every year. Very few people will actually get in. Percentage wise, if you see, not everybody is getting into the IT industry, because people don't have the patience to keep working towards it for 1 year, 2 years. They might just disappear and start doing something else and just feel IT is not for me. Point is, if you know what to expect, and you know that if you work tremendous hard, then it is going to take this much time. And if you don't do that, it's even worse. If you know what you are doing, life is going to give better rewards to you. So it is possible. At least you should target minimum 3 months. I should get the job. And then we can go to now ChatGPT. First, we need to accept the truth. Second, we need to look at it as a problem solver. Okay, realistically, it will take like this. Let me try 3 months mein I will definitely get it. Because better than that, the numbers are not telling. Okay, so that's what it is. So there are 24 hours in a day, and there are 24 hours only. You cannot say, I don't like it, give me 50, because the world will not give you. So now realistically, you should come up with, okay, for the next 3 months of my life, I will put daily 14 hours in job hunting, because I know if I don't do that, I can get into even 12 months, which is 1 year for not having job. And if I don't do it, I might not get it for the next 1 year also. Once you accept the truth, then you will become a problem solver. And that is going to happen to many people. So you figure this out. This ChatGPT gave to me. Now you put the context, you ask the right questions, and you go to 5 other platforms and then read all the answers. That work you should do today. Lock yourself for 1 hour, regardless of what you have done the day planning. Do this activity for 1 hour, because if you don't know what you're doing, your life is not going to reward you. Random efforts will not make you successful. So I am giving you this kind of a statement which I initially prepared. Customize this, get a chat. I will paste this kind of prompt also, whatever ChatGPT gave, but you figure out your details and then go to 5 other platforms, do the same, read to know the realistic picture. And then we will work towards solving that problem. But first, let's know the problem. Okay. And there is nothing to be discouraged. First of all, there is nothing to be discouraged, because if you are discouraged, you already lost. It's not going to get easy from here. It is going to get only harder. Okay. So in ChatGPT, in YouTube, I'm not able to get this kind of chat size. I might have to break it down real crazy. At least I would suggest all the members on YouTube, take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this so that you can just work on that. Just take a screenshot of, I think everybody, just take a screenshot of this thing. I will enlarge my screen. Yeah, at least you can read. Just take a screenshot of this section. And let's understand the problem kya hai. And then we will figure out how to solve this problem. Getting disappointed, getting demotivated means already you are lost. It will not get you job. After 12 months also, you will not get it if you are demotivated, discouraged. And that is happening with majority of job seekers. They don't know what is going on and they are just lost in their job hunting search, and they feel discouraged, demotivated, distracted. That should not happen to you. If you want to build success, you need to take charge of your life, understand the problem, solve the problem, then you will have your job, you will have your success, and you will accomplish it. And nobody else is going to do that for you, because everybody is busy in their life. So you need to figure out. Okay? Chalo, thank you everybody for your time and all the very best. Join tomorrow. We will further work on this strategy for the final 15 minutes. All the best. Take care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Thank you guys. Bye everybody. One day at a time. Okay? One day at a time. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow 8:30. Bye. Take care guys.